All right, we're at 2918 North Kenwood. This is Charles of 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. It's a 2-unit property here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the upstairs unit first. As we head up here, we'll make sure that we post the previous rental numbers as well as what our thoughts are on future rents and everything. We'll come up here to the top. It's a nice large bedroom here, really tall ceilings. You can see a little bit of patchwork here, certainly from some shifting. And as I've walked up, I could feel a little bit of a lean on it. So we want to make sure that we're good here. Typically cracks aren't concerning to me, especially in these holders homes, but you can kind of see that's a bit of a buckle, I guess is probably the best way to describe that one. So again, could be old, might not be a huge concern, but certainly we want to address. If you take a look here, I can see it, but basically what I'm seeing here is a tilt downward this way. So this side of the house, and that's what I'm feeling as well, is tilting down. Again, not trying to scare anybody here, but certainly want to be open and honest about all this stuff. All right, so this would be likely the living area of the upstairs unit. Again, we got some patchwork here, some really neat older windows. The windows throughout are the older windows, the originals probably for the property. Carpeted throughout, so we're gonna look at probably redoing all of the carpet in here with a different type of flooring. We're gonna recommend obviously some sort of a vinyl plank flooring just for stability or longevity, etc. Over here again, here's our next bedroom. Unique little feature with this one is it's got kind of a sunroom, so it's going to be attractive with this one. I think what you're going to see is these units have a lot of appeal, or are going to have a lot of appeal because of the location and just because of the character within the house itself, within the units itself. We've got a bathroom here. So resurfacing, that drop ceiling, probably want to take a look at that, maybe redo that a little bit. We have the kitchen here. So it's a good sized kitchen, and it's going to have your laundry inside as well in the kitchen area, but it's a good sized room here. Now as we're getting on this side of the property, we're tilting this way, okay? So again, just some things we want to take care of. We want to make sure that we're paying attention to. And then back here is an additional room. There is a closet here. I'm sure it's been marketed as a third bedroom. We have our panel here. It's really, really small, and with the slope ceilings, it's gonna really limit your space up here, so we just wanna keep that in mind. So we got a lot of really nice features aesthetically and even the layout for this property, or for this unit, but we're definitely gonna have some things to work on. So let's take a look at the other unit and give us a call if you have any questions.